So guys, now on our euro to our JPY, so we can see it on our daily time frame. Our euro has actually hit one of our key level area, which I will be analyzing. We can see it here. We can actually take this as a support area, key level area where our price rejected and pushes up. We can see our price has come down to that area again, and we can see this huge wake, right? Now I'm going to analyze it as another key level area here. We can see, let me see it, analyze. We can also take it as another key level area here. Price rejected here, price rejected here. You can see our price is very much likely to reject. So if you are to analyze this trade, where do you think we'll be going? Personally, I'm looking for a buy on my euro euro JPY. Now the reason why I said I will be looking for a buy on my euro JPY, now let's see on our JPY index. We can see it now. Our price was, let's see it on our daily time frame. Let me so be able to get what I'm talking about. We can see on our daily time frame, our price goes up, it comes down to for retracements, it pushes up, right? And now our price come down to test this our area here. We can see it here, another key level area here, which is a legitimate one. And guess what? Our price now push up again. This is was our previous higher highs, and our price broke above our previous higher highs. Now our JPY itself, the index, is now coming to test this area here, which was our previously tested. We can see key level area here. We can see our price come here to test it, and now we can see our JPY has opened bearish. It is now red, by the way. So by tomorrow we should continue to see that red candle stick to test this area, so before we can probably see a bullish move, but we would want to see a drop on our JPY index. That is why I said once we are getting that fall on our JPY index, we should actually be seeing that bullish move on our euro JPY. So our index, JPY index, shows a drop, which means any pair we are trading to our JPY index should be going bullish. One, we can see this is another key level area here, a key level area here, which was once a resistance. It was once a resistance. This was a support, and very much likely to serve as a support again on our euro JPY. So that is why I said we'll be taking a buy. And if you want to take your buy, I will expect you to actually possibly wait for our price to actually be above our 10-period moving average, as I will be taking it as an uptrend move on my 4-hour time frame. We can see the bullish move. We can see 4, right? We can see that bullish move again, and we can see a retracement. So let's see if our price breaks above our previous higher highs, then I will say take your buy position straight upward on our euro JPY, at least to this our level here, which is about 141. Currently we are trading at 138. So let's see if we can take our buy to 141 on our euro JPY. So thank you very much. That is my analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, by the way.